Hey, so if your Google Forms link isn't working, like people can't open it or it shows an error, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually an easy fix. I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get into it. First, make sure the link is correct. Sometimes the URL gets copied incorrectly or cut off. Next, go to your form and click the Send button, then copy the official link from there. Yeah, this ensures it's the correct one. Now, check your form's access settings. If it's restricted, people outside your organization won't be able to open it. If your form isn't accepting responses, users might see a message instead of the form. Make sure it's turned on. Now, open the link in incognito mode or another browser and test it yourself. This helps confirm if it's working. Sometimes links with extra tracking or parameters can break. Try using the clean, original link from Google Forms. If the form was deleted or moved to trash, the link won't work. Make sure your form is still active. If it still doesn't work, try opening the link on another device or network. Yeah, this helps rule out device-specific issues. And yeah, sometimes Google services might be down. Check their status page if the issue continues. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms link not working problems. One of these steps should get your link working again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.